Watch me slay these underarms with sexy smooth wax. This is their Cherry Desire wax. It's absolutely amazing. Fast drying time. It's easy to work with, beginner friendly, and it definitely works really good at gripping all those hairs. Now, this is my sister slash best friend. We went to high school together. And she told me that she just shaved about a week or so ago. So I wanted to go ahead and try waxing her underarms. I did a stagger pull here, and she was not happy about it. I don't blame her though, because that shit do be her in. But look at those hairs. They are so thick, and look at all the bulbs I got out. This wax definitely does its thing. Now I'm just going in with a cleanup strip in the opposite direction. She has very dainty underarms, so lucky for me, I don't need to use a lot of wax. Most of the hairs grow in one direction, so that's really great. Taking that off with a stagger pull as well, and it definitely got all the rest of those hairs that I can get. Now, since she did shave, unfortunately, there are still some hairs left behind that are just way too short for the wax to even grip. So I did pull up just a few more hairs there. And then we're moving on to the other underarm. This one, I did not do a stagger pull with the initial pull. Her hairs are just so thick that I just shouldn't have done that. I mean, when it comes to short hair challenges like this, a stagger pull is the best. Oh my god, look at those hairs. Look at that. This wax, it sure is sexy smooth. Like, I love this wax. It's the only wax I use in my salon room when it comes to hard wax. It's that Goral, okay? It is that Goral. But anyway, I shouldn't have done that stagger pull for the first one, but when it comes to these hairs and people shaving, you definitely need to do a stagger pull to get all of them. And then here I am just doing the second underarm. This is my cleanup strip again. And did you peep how fast that dried down? Like, I was instantly able to make a lip, and I took it off right away. And then I just did another cleanup strip here, following that original hair growth, just to get off the rest of the hairs that I could not get. And then I did do a little bit of tweezing, but I didn't record it. Follow up with some ingrown serum, and this bad bitch is all ready to go. Thanks for watching.